Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to read a Facebook message on the Facebook Messenger without being seen. So what you want to do, you want to do a few things before you open up that message on your Facebook app. So you want to go ahead and open up Facebook, but swipe down on your phone and you want to turn off your Wi-Fi and also turn on airplane mode. Once the airplane mode is turned on, guys, then you can go ahead and open up that message and read that message. Then after you finish, go back and you want to mark that message and you want to ensure that message is marked as unread. So you can read the message, but ensure you want to double click on it and you want to mark it as unread. So in case it's showing as read, you can go ahead and mark that as unread. As you can see there, for me, it still shows as read. So you just want to ensure that this is marked as unread. So don't forget that the message should still look like this, unread. Then once that is done, all you have to do, just close out of Facebook, go ahead and make sure that the Facebook app is closed, and then you want to go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi and turn off airplane mode. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So whenever you open up Facebook again, you realize that the message will be unread, and that's it. Easy as that.